Are you hosting Friendsgiving this year and need to impress your friends? Fear not, these salmon croquettes are exactly what you're looking for. They're savory on the inside and crispy on the outside and perfect to serve as finger food for your holiday table. To make these, you're going to be needing some MOWI Lightly Smoked Salmon. The beauty of the salmon is that it's already pre-brined, and that means it's salty, but it's still raw. That means you have to cook it. So let's remove it out of the package. And remember, you have to cook these whatever method you like. Air fryer, bake, poach, as long as it's cooked so we can mix it with the rest of the ingredients. In this case, I'm going to be popping it directly onto a baking sheet and into my oven. Now that it's fully cooked, I'm going to take a fork and mash it up into a bowl. And this is the base of our croquettes. And now for the rest of the ingredients. Chop up some onion, garlic. Let's add some eggs and breadcrumbs. Now you can use regular breadcrumbs. I like to use panko style, Japanese style breadcrumbs. There seems to be some sort of texture that just works better. And when we bread this croquette, it's just gonna give you that extra kind of like crispiness to it. So stick with whatever you like, but I like panko. And remember, we're not adding salt to this. The already lightly smoked salmon from MOWI is pretty brined and salty as it is, so there's no need to add any extra salt. And it's surely gonna give you a lot of smoky flavor. So this is kind of as is delicious. Okay, let's mix this up a little bit. And you wanna get kind of a consistency so that you can spoon it out and turn them into kind of oval ball-shaped croquettes. All right, we're ready to bread these guys, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in some egg, into the panko breadcrumb, and make sure you get every single surface covered in breadcrumb. You can pan fry or deep fry like I do, so I'm gonna set the oil temperature at 350 degrees and pop them in one at a time. Oh man, these look gorgeous. Use some tartar sauce on the side for dipping and serve away. These salmon croquettes for the holiday season aren't just easy to make, they're also easy to eat. So make sure you make a little extra.